Are you a creative professional looking for the absolute best laptop for 2025? Get ready for an exclusive early look at the powerful new Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch M5 Pro and M5 Max models set to redefine peak performance in 2026. These machines build on Apple's consistent design, but it's what's inside that truly captivates. A monumental leap in GPU performance with the M5 generation, now handling complex generative AI calculations with incredible speed. Viewers will want to find the links in the video description to explore these groundbreaking laptops early. While the stunning Liquid Retina XDR display continues to impress, especially with its nano-texture option for glare reduction, some might be surprised by the inability to manually set the 120Hz refresh rate. The M5 line also introduces the N1 networking chip with Wi-Fi 7, promising unparalleled connection stability, a critical factor for professional workflows. Expect incredible battery life, rated up to 24 hours, perfect for long editing sessions on the go. However, be aware of a noticeable performance drop in low power mode and potential heat under heavy, sustained load. Your choice between the M5 Pro and M5 Max largely hinges on your GPU needs, as they offer similar CPU performance, making configuration choices crucial for maximizing your creative output. This could be the last generation before rumored OLED or touchscreen MacBooks, so if you demand ultimate power now, don't wait.